Today we are heading to Salzburg, an Austrian city on the border of Germany. You can get to Salzburg from Munich by car in 2 hours, or by train in an hour and a half. The name Salzburg means Salt Castle. Salzburg got its name because of the salt mines around the city. This is the Marco Feingold Steg Bridge, previously known as Mackertsteg. It is a pedestrian bridge that crosses the Salzburg River. This is the Getreidige Street. It is a busy street here in Salzburg, lined with various shops and restaurants. Prior to 1816, Salzburg was its own country, separate from the rest of Austria. During World War II, the city was heavily bombed, with almost half of the city's buildings destroyed. There are still hundreds of unexploded bombs from the airstrikes that remain in the city today, that are periodically discovered. Here is a fun fact. The famous Red Bull drink was created here in Salzburg. Salzburg is the birthplace of the famous composer, Mozart. This is the famous residence fountain, built prior to 1661. At 15 meter high, it is the largest baroque fountain outside Italy. We are now at the world-renowned Mirabell Palace and Mirabell Gardens. The complex is under monument protection and was declared a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. Mirabell Garden is one of the important filming locations of the famous 1965 Hollywood musical drama film, The Sound of Music. This is the Vier Elemente-Brunnen, or Four Elements Fountain. The fountain has a large octagonal shallow basin and 4 groups of stone sculptures arranged around the fountain. The 4 groups of stone sculptures around the fountain symbolize the 4 elements in Greek mythology: earth, water, fire, and air. The stone sculptures were designed by Ottavio Masto as early as 1690. Thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next video.